Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will be discussing the basics of reports and dashboards in HubSpot CRM and how to create reports and dashboards in HubSpot CRM. So let's get started with the client's requirements first. The client wanted us to create a report and dashboard in HubSpot CRM. The client wanted us to create two reports in which one report is for contact to specify the contacts under a single annual revenue. The second report is a report for the company to inform how many companies come under a single company type. The client also wanted to create these two reports under a single dashboard. Let me share with you the benefits of reports and dashboards in HubSpot CRM. Report and dashboard help you plan your strategy, optimize your content, and measure real return on investment. You can plan your content strategy and build search authority. You also have the ability to change the content according to who is viewing your page. You can gain insight into your entire customer journey to see which marketing assets are working well. Talking about the steps for creating reports and dashboards in HubSpot CRM, firstly, you need to log into your HubSpot CRM. Then go to the Marketing HubSpot option and click on the Report option under the Reports tab. And then click on Create a Custom Report. From the following options, you can select the type of reports you want. Then select an object for which you are creating report. Add the object properties and then save the report. Then to create a dashboard in HubSpot, go to the Report tab and click on Dashboard. Then create a new dashboard and give the name to your dashboard. Then click on Add Reports, select Reports, click on Dashboard and select your dashboard's name. Let me now show you the project execution. The client wanted us to create two types of reports. The first one is a contact report. So as you can see, if the value of yearly revenue is 45,000, there is only one contact in it. If the value is 3 lakh, then there is only one contact for it. And if the value is 2,50,000, then there is only one contact for it. The second report is for the companies. It signifies how many companies are under a single company type. For example, if the type has no value, then there is only one company for it. If the type is a prospect, then there are two companies for it. If the type is a partner, then there is one company for it. And if the type is other, there is only one company for it. The client wanted these two reports under a common dashboard. So, I have created a dashboard named Contact and Company Dashboard. Both the reports are present there. So, with this, we have fulfilled our client's requirements. If you are looking for any technical or strategic guidance from the best Salesforce experts who can help you realize your business potential, just get in touch with Cloud Analogies Salesforce experts. They will help you through your Salesforce journey step by step. We ensure the successful delivery of your every solution with extensive Salesforce consulting services. So, to achieve amazing results in your business, contact Cloud Analogy to discuss your project's needs and requirements. Thanks for watching the video.